Hey YouTube friends, we got a couple packages, birthday packages. The first one is from Garrett, aka my cousin Sean. Let's see what he sent me. Oh, he wrapped it. Ooh, then there's two things in a card. Let's open the card. Delight in the good things today brings. Oh, it's Pillman, Richard, and Leslie. So, happy birthday, Lindsey L. Nick Cake. K from Pam, Richard, and Leslie. So, let's start with the first one. Okay. This is more of the Obama's coin collection. Okay, it's not from him yet. So, you get to see the Obama coin collection. So, yeah, that's cool. Okay, let's see what this is. Wow. More Barack Obama coin collection. So I hope you like this video. So I got coin collections from Pam, Richard, and Leslie. Thank you for the card and the gift. And the other ones I want to open with you is not from the one I was looking for, but this is Will Do. And then the other ones that I got, okay. So I got this cool rug of the Ninja Turtles. With a cute card to go with. It says here, happy birthday, so proud of you, of your Concentrated Training and Success, Master Wyatt. And that's what I got for my birthday so far. Hope you like and subscribe. So these are like my P.O. box I'm opening. And the last one I got from him is a pair of nunchucks. And it has dragons on them. So yeah. Two ninja items from my sensei. And also, cool coin collection. This can be worth a lot of money. Barack Obama is one of my favorite presidents at the time. So I'm going to show this to my mom, and I will see you guys later. For tomorrow's video, I have something special to show you. So stay tuned for that. So peace, with love is love, with L-O-V-E. Thank you for the gifts. So awesome. And I just want to say thank you to Pam and Richard and Leslie. Thank you. Now also, yeah, make the cake. Don't taste that great. So, thank you again, Pam, Richard, and Leslie. Thank you for your gifts. And the one from my sensei, the ninja items. Thank you for those. And then stay tuned for tomorrow for a grand review of my new art project that I just did today. You will get to see that tomorrow. Peace, with love is love. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.